Welcome back to the Real Estate Insights with Steve B&G. If you're a veteran or know someone who served, this episode is for you. Today, we're diving into how veterans can transition from service to financial stability through real estate investing.
We'll also touch on how life insurance can be a game changer for financial security, something many people overlook. But first, let's hear about Steve's personal journey and how he made the leap from military to financial freedom.
For those of you who do not know who I am or my journey, real estate has always been a lifelong passion, instilled in me by my grandfather. Like many veterans, I faced challenges when transitioning out of the Marine Corps and into civilian life. I went from a structured, high-discipline environment to suddenly having to navigate job searches, financial planning, and figuring out what's next.
That's a tough adjustment. What was the biggest challenge for you?
One of the hardest things I experienced was financial stability. The military does provide a structure, housing, healthcare, steady income. But once you're out, it's on you. I had to learn how to budget, build credit, and find substantial income. That's when I decided to give real estate all my attention.
But was there ever an aha moment when you realized real estate was the right move?
Absolutely, G. I remember looking into my expenses and income and thinking, I need something that creates wealth long term. A friend of mine introduced me to my mentor, Charles. He taught me the stages of entrepreneurship that an individual must go through within the housing market. My mentor specialized in building homes within the Houston, Texas market. I was very fortunate to have a great mentor like him to take the time to teach me the basics. I eventually investigated other avenues of approach like house hacking. That is when you live in one unit while renting out the other. That wasn't the first investment I made. However, learning that process was very influential, and on future deals, I could achieve much more. The rent from tenants can cover you and your mortgage payments. This is a great way to see power of real estate firsthand.
That's a strategy more veterans need to hear about, and we'll break that down next.
From my perspective, real estate is one of the best wealth building tools available. And veterans have some serious advantages when it comes to financing their first property.
First, let's talk about VA loans. If you've served, you have access to one of the best financing tools out there, a 0% down mortgage with no private mortgage insurance. That means lower upfront costs and more cash flow from day one.
A lot of veterans don't even know how powerful that is. No down payment means you can get into a home or investment property without draining your savings. Plus, VA loans often have lower interest rates than conventional loans.
Another strategy is house hacking. You live in one unit and rent out the others. Whether it's a duplex, triplex, or even just renting out rooms in a single family home, your tenant helps cover the mortgage, reducing your expenses and allowing you to save or reinvest.
That's exactly how we've guided most veterans to start, and it works. They went from paying a mortgage out of pocket to having property pay for itself. The money they saved went straight into their next investment.
It's not just about today, it's about the future. Owning real estate builds generational wealth. Instead of paying rent and making someone else rich, you're building equity in something that grows in value over time.
Look, real estate isn't just an investment. It's a financial foundation that veterans can use to create stability for themselves and their families. Now, if you're serious about learning how to use real estate as a tool for financial freedom, we've got something just for you.
Check out our ebook, BBRG Holdings LLC's step-by-step guide to building a real estate investment business. It's packed with expert insights on how to build, buy, finance, and grow your portfolio the smart way.
Look, you don't have to navigate this alone. Grab your copy today using the link in the description and take the next step toward financial security.
And while you're at it, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode.
Now let's talk about a tool that often goes overlooked: life insurance. It's not just about leaving money to your family. It can also be used as a financial resource while you're alive.
That's right. There are different types of life insurance policies, but whole life and universal life policies can build cash value over time, which you can borrow against to invest in real estate or other opportunities.
It's all about securing your financial future in multiple ways. Protecting your family while also leveraging the policy for growth. Many investors use this strategy to fund real estate deals without tapping into their savings or taking on new loans.
Financial literacy is just as important as real estate investing. Understanding how to use tools like life insurance and VA loans together can give veterans a massive advantage.
Veterans, you've already developed discipline, leadership, and adaptability. Those skills make you a prime candidate for real estate success. Don't let the lack of knowledge stop you from taking action.
In our next episode, we'll break down the VA loan process step by step so you can take full advantage of it. Make sure to subscribe, and if you found this valuable, share it with a fellow veteran.
And don't forget to download the eBook, BBRG Holdings LLC Step-by-Step Guide to Creating and Building Your Own Real Estate Investment Business. It's the ultimate resource to help you get started the right way.
Like, comment, and let us know if you have any questions. We love engaging with you and helping you build a strong financial future.
Ladies and gents, until next time, stay informed, stay strategic, and keep building your real estate future.